Now that we have our map created, you could just print this out if you were going to hand it out to a client in a paper copy, but typically I do more advanced PowerPoint information or presentations, Adobe Illustrator posters, InDesign documents, or Microsoft Word even. And so to get that map out of the software, we go up to File and Export Map. Now there's a number of options here. I'm just going to run through a couple. One is Adobe Illustrator. I do a lot of advanced cartography work over in Adobe Illustrator, which is not part of this, but to show you how to get there, you can manipulate the resolution. I like to clip output to graphic extents so that way I don't get all that data space information that goes beyond my page and the border of the data frame. And then in a format, I set my color space. So if I'm RGB for on things on the web, or if I'm CMYK for other print documents, I do like to personally rasterize marker fills. This allows unique symbology, particularly for point files, to go out correctly. You can convert marker symbols to polygons. Depending on what I'm doing, I'll play around with that to see which works best. And then I'll also use the display expression for the item name, and so that way my layers are kind of labeled appropriately in Illustrator. So that's Adobe Illustrator. Really quickly, PDFs are another form that I use a lot. So if I just want to take this so I can send it to an email, almost everyone can open PDF. If I'm emailing it, I drop the DPI down to maybe 72 or 150. But if I'm working at print, I keep things at 300. And then you also have other things like JPEG, PNG, or TIFFs if you just want an image file. Just be aware that these will affect your text a little bit, and so things will start to look a little fuzzy, particularly when it comes to very thin numbers like on the graphic scale or in the legend. So if you want kind of clean text, I'd go with the PDF or Illustrator route, but if you're just using a quick image to kind of send out or put in a PowerPoint or something, you could use some of these other image types. And that's how you export data out. Thanks.